Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Hyundai Sonata SE. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.4-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Hyundai is a great value with less than 21,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 25 miles per gallon in the city, and 36 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include Bluetooth, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.